Welcome to FX Hunt. Today is the 16th of September, and what are we expecting from the market today on indices, specifically US30? So you can see all the key zones plotted, right? These are areas where price has shown to what be interested in, right? As price gets to all these levels, as you could see reaction, right? Price tend to what reject of these zones. Same as this level also, you could see the reaction when price gets to all these zones. Price tend to what react of all these zones. So we have to keep that in consideration while analyzing the market or plotting all these zones. So this is what we've plotted already on US30 on the 4 hours time frame, right? So breaking down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, what are we expecting US30 to give us? Now, as you go back, you will see more clearly of this zone that are being marked. How price, whenever it gets there, what it tends to do. You could see the reactions, right? Once price gets to the zone, you see the reactions. Price tend to respect this area of what interest. I call them area of interest because those are zones that when price gets to, there's reaction. So now on the 1 hour time frame, what are we expecting the market to do, right? You can see we want the market to retest. Come here, right? Come to this resistance level, retest, and then give us a candlestick confirmation pattern to go long, right? So we want it to retest this area of interest on the 4 hours level or this psychological zone 41,300 to go bullish. Or if price does not happen to play out like this, we wait for it to break out, right? And then come to this second area of support / interest and psychological zone 41,000. Now look, remember, it's not mandatory for it to get to this 41,000 before you take any entry or look to take any entry. Price might get to 41,100 and give us a reaction. You understand? Give us a candlestick pattern and formation to go long. So that's what we are looking out to do here on US30. When price get to these key zones / psychological zone, what are we waiting for? We go to 15 minutes time frame, look for something like this. To be a change of character, a retest, and a confirmation, a candlestick pattern, or a candlestick reaction to go bullish, right? So it's either you look for something like this, a change of character, or you look for a chart pattern, right? A inverse head and shoulder, break of the neckline, retest, and then you go bullish, or you just wait for a breakout. Then based on the reaction of the breakout, then for Nasdaq, as you can see, this is the area that have been marked and how price has been reacting there. Now look at this zone now. You see how price has been reacting here, right? You see how price has been reacting around that area. Look at this also. Look at this area. Look at this area. Right? Price has been reacting. That's why I placed that cycle there. See when price get there, what price tends to do. That is to show that these are key levels. These are key levels where price to expect. Price is interested in, right? Price is interested in all these areas that are marked. So we also should be interested. We also should be interested in what the market is going to do when it gets to that zone. So these are the key levels that have been plotted and on the 4 hours time frame. So if you go to the 60 minutes / 1 hour time frame, what are we expecting the market to do when price gets to this zone, right? So we are supposed to go bullish on NAS100. When price gets here, we want something like this. We want price to break out from this resistance, turn into a support level, then give us a retest. A retest of what? This area of interest / support. Then, and also you could see the psychological zone of 19,600. So we want price to retest this zone, give us a candlestick pattern or candlestick confirmation, then go bullish. If it doesn't do this, it does not break above this resistance level, we wait for price to what? We wait for price to come down here, right? We wait for price to come down here, give us a confirmation. We wait for price to come back to what? This area of interest on the 4 hours time frame, and also this psychological zone 19,200, give us a confirmation, then we go bullish. Now this is something things, what you look for before you go bullish, right? On the 15 minutes time frame, we take our entry on the 15 minutes time frame. We need to see something like this, as I said on US30. We need to see something like this, a change of character, retest, and then candlestick confirmation to candlestick reaction to go bullish. Now there must not be a change of character. There might be a chart pattern, inverse head and shoulder, right? That is an example, an inverse head and shoulder, then breakout of the neckline, retest, and then go bullish, right? It might be a triangle, it might be a flag that form, but we are waiting for the breakout, retest, and then we go bullish. So we just need the candlestick we need a reaction, change of structure, chart pattern, candlestick reaction before we can go long, right? On the lower time frame or 15 minutes time frame. And overall in US30,